Today, DevOps is crucial for software development companies. In this video, we'll see why it's essential and how it benefits your career. DevOps combines development and operations to improve collaboration and efficiency. It automates processes to speed up software delivery and enhance quality. Why DevOps is in demand? The demand for DevOps professionals is growing fast. Companies need experts to streamline development and boost productivity. With DevOps skills, you can earn more and secure a bright future. Key skills for DevOps careers. To succeed in DevOps, learn coding, use tools like Jenkins and Docker, and know cloud services like AWS. Understand CI/CD practices to integrate and deliver code continuously. Career path and growth. Start as a DevOps engineer and move up to roles like senior engineer, architect, or even CTO. Each step offers new challenges, more innovation, and better pay. Benefits of a DevOps career. A DevOps career is rewarding with high job satisfaction, continuous learning, teamwork, and a chance to impact your company's success. It's a field that's always evolving. Step into the future with a DevOps career. Whether you're just starting or advancing, the opportunities are endless.